Thank you for choosing Swisspacer Warm Edge Spacer Bars. Here is what you need to know when working with our products. The spacer bars arrive in containers or boxes, comprising of 5.1 meter lengths for the boxes and 6 meter lengths in the containers. This is important for the parameter settings of your benders or welders. A sticker on each end of the box or container denotes on which side the connector is located. When unpacking, please remember that every second spacer is inverted to prevent scratching during transportation. For cutting, we recommend using a saw blade with hardened teeth. Parameters like rotation speed are crucial. Using the wrong type of saw blades can cause damage such as cracks or material melting. The best solution is to ensure that Swisspacer products are managed using different processing equipment to other extrusions, in particular metal. This will extend the life of the saw blade, which means it needs to be changed less frequently. The orientation of the spacer bars during cutting is very important to achieve the best quality of cutting. The rotation of the saw should push the foil onto the spacer, not away from it. When manually processing, pay attention to the temperature at all times. Regular drill bits for filling can be used. However, with a special drill bit dedicated to Swisspacer bars, a better quality can be reached and the bits need to be changed less often. To align with previous standards, the Swisspacer bar is 6.5 mm high. The adjustment of butyl extruder nozzles may be necessary. We suggest to pay more attention to the cleanliness of pressure rollers and clamps while processing light colors. Thanks to Swisspacer's high rigidity, it is much easier to mount and position the frame. For the best possible outcome, use an automatic frame mounting station. Remember to verify all the parameters and limit the pressing force or use soft pressing settings. Check that all corners of the pressing plates are even. The maximum difference between corners must not exceed 0.5 mm each. To check the quality of pressing, you can make several samples of IGU in different sizes. Finally, adjust the quantity of sealant to the height of our spacer bars. Depending on the frame processing, different amounts of sealant need to be applied. A few points to pay attention to when adjusting the secondary sealant. Use the same amount of sealant for each side, keep the minimum depth of 3 mm, and make sure there are no air bubbles. Swisspacer, the edge of tomorrow.